Well, hello there. Greetings from Sweden. Well, this is my first time recording with sounds, and I hope you understand what I'm saying, because I'm from Sweden, as I said. But I will probably get better at pronouncing things and doing this. Well, today we have DrT. I'm gonna beat him, not do anything crazy, with my level 42 account. Get 3 as in a number, not something that grows here, not that kind of tree, but number 3. Well, let's see, we have a mega crab here. That's always funny. Love that little bastard. I'm at stage 18 with this account. I haven't boosted, nothing more than this one, resource reward, and I have my barrage going for 13. I have Sukas are maxed. That's I will come to that another day. And this is kind of funny. I have over 80 tokens. You can see here, hero tokens. And I only need 64 to do this battle order to level 5. But in order to do that, I need a brick to get to level 18. If I'm not... Yes, 18. And I don't have the money, or I missed. I honestly missed that I need to have her to 18, and she have been falling behind. Well, never mind. Back to this. I have already done stage 1. I tested this out. I did it with only GBE, which is kind of funny because I don't have a lot of GBE. But let's check. We'll attack and see how much I have. I'm boosted. Where is the HQ? Over there. Okay. Yes, we have that one we need to get rid of. That won't be a problem. So these 3 seems kind of easy. Not that big of a deal. Let's do like that and drop these little ladies here. I only use Sukas because I want to get better at them. They are very lethal. Can practically kill everything or anything. In higher level, higher ups, when can't find the words. I have to excuse my English because I haven't used it. English is actually my 3rd language. I speak Swedish, and then I speak Finnish, and then comes English. But always good to practice my English. So when I go to a trip or travel vacations, and that's when I need to use my English, and I want to get better. Same as, sorry, you didn't need to see that. Well, stage 2 was kind of easy. How much GBE? I forgot to check that. Okay, we have this one. Where should we go? We can use 1 shock there and 1 shock there. If we go to that, let's try that. Okay, now we have to remember how much GBE. 89. I start with 89. That's not a lot. Well, maybe for this kind of level, but I have a maxed out account, and I have a HQ 21 account, so I have more and better GBE status on those accounts. I like to side drop like this. Nothing covers the beach. Use the whole. See, I randomly put the flags so that shouldn't be any problems for you either. And let's go up to that corner, and we drop brick with pedal loaders a bit behind because she walks a lot faster. Hope we don't hit any of those boom mines. Yes, we are gonna hit one. Oh yes, we got lucky. Brick didn't hit that. Oh, we have lots and lots of GB left. Let's shock there and there and there, and medkits. This shouldn't be any problem. Stage 3. Oh, we got something there. Okay, no problems. We lost 1, 2, 3, 4 sukas. That's kind of bad. I'm gonna try to keep these vids, a bit shorter, around 20 minutes, so that you have a chance to get to look at them. Hopefully this vids helps. If you're lower level, you see how they look. If you're higher level and get stuck on something, I'm gonna change account to my 50 something. You will get to see that too when I get stuck, or because I'm not spending any diamonds at this moment. I'm gonna come back and get my supply chest when I stop recording, and I'm gonna do all these attacks without the boost. I'm gonna do maybe one with later with my main account and full boost, because I have an operation attack to do there, and I love to fully boost for operations. That's just how I am. And if I don't have enough power powder to fully boost, I won't be in any higher level of task forces, because I find it annoying to have people that don't boost. You should always boost for. Man, I'm gonna hit some mines. Where am I actually going with this? God damn it. This was clearly a fucking mistake. I can't speak and attack at the same time. That's obvious. Wow, I got smashed. Well, we need to make another plan on that one. Like I said, I'm not going to spend even though I have quite a bit of those. We're gonna do like that of diamonds on this account, but I'm not going to spend it here. We have. I have full attacks. I need to do something, because I'm not gonna be able to. Let's just. Fuck. Okay, let's do that. I need to get rid of 1 or 2 attacks, because it will be a couple of hours before I can. Let's do like this. Let's clear a spot over here. And a walk, because it looks like I'm gonna try to get back there. Should have used. Yeah, let's do like this. I'm gonna spend another, because it will be a couple of hours before I can jump into this account again and do an operation attack. And let's do like that. Let's put Everspark. And let's do like this again. We need to check it better. That was a stupid thing to do. Let's send her first in and kill off some of these. Yeah, let's take that rocket launcher. And press that. And that. And now let's do like this again. anything else over there. And clear some mines. Because I'm gonna use my sukas to walk around and place them over here and clear this stuff up. That's a Ghibli walk. Shit. I need to smoke all the way. Wonder if I have enough GBE to actually pull that off. I might use another attack to clear this and that. Because they have range. Well, that's another problem. That's a later problem. I'm gonna come back to DrT, but I'm not gonna film it because I'm gonna try to get higher on my other account. Hold on. Well, I have changed up to this, my Icket 2, number 2 account. As you can see, I haven't pushed. Ooh, look at. Whoa! Oh, yes. That's. Oh, I have used all those. I haven't used any of these. I'm starting to get pretty max, but the problem is I'm doing battle order over here, so I can't spend any money there. And I'm getting my Scorcher 3 days and 18 hours left. I mean, come on. So I have 6.8 millions. Can't use them anywhere. My map is fully open. I can't spend it there, and that kind of sucks. This is oh yeah, big shout out to the guys in the Gulla and Rosino and Storm, especially Storm. I love this guy. He's a huge fan, he says, but I don't know. Funny guy. But this task force, big shout out. Big. Extremely funny task force to be in. I'm proud to be a part of this task force. We have this is my mini. I'm doing a bit of offense, not putting anything else but this little sniper tower. Gonna see how far I can get. That's gonna be fun. We have Fusion from Cosmic Duo. Big shout out. Awesome guy, Christian from Cosmic Duo. Fusion. I have my main account in his biggest Reject Redux. We are pushing a bit over there. This is his father's account, if I'm not mistaken, that he have taken over. And he have a mini here, Fusion, our leader. This is mini rejects. We had rejects, but we had some problems with people not attacking, people not getting intel, just sitting there, wanting to get the rewards. So we broke that up. Sad thing. That was still also funny people there, but well, what to do? Well, enough about that. We were doing DrT. Sidetrack there. What am I? Yeah, my resources are getting maxed. I have 18 hours. This was the most expensive thing because all my landing crafts are level of 21, gunboat 21, and I need to get to experience 56 in order to do my HQ to 22. That sucks, man. Bad timing for me on this account, this Mega Crab. But Mega Crab is awesome. The man, it's awesome. 5 attacks, that's gonna be Swedish leaderboard 44 to high-end and to Lord 11. Awesome, guys, awesome. 27 I'm on this one. I have boost, but I'm not pushing because, as you can see, I don't need the resources, so I'm not gonna boost. I'm just gonna go and try to get some powder. Gonna attack here and try to get some powder because Mega Crab is only here for 1 day, 6 hours. I mean, I can do one more expensive upgrade, but that's it. So that sucks. Well, on this account I have better status. This is how you get the better status. You attack as long as you have money, not real money, gold, I mean. As long as you have gold, keep grinding on DrT. That's my advice. I love DrT. Grind, grind, grind. As long as you have money and time, lose troops, set them to reload, and try a different way if you fail. That's what I'm gonna do on my number 3 account. Nothing more, nothing less. Just grind it. And open the chest, open the chest. You get intel for your task force, very important. And you get to pick. I always pick the charge or the stones, depending on. I mean, my puny gets fragments. That sucks. I would love to get what's it called, crystals in those. But on my main I get 8 shards. That's well, you can call it 1 crystal. It takes 1 hour to do them over to crystals, and you need 8 crystals to make 7 crystals, sorry, to make powder. And powder is what you boost your troops with, or your statues. And always try to boost for operations attacks. That's my advice. Nobody likes or loves a guy that only sits there and doesn't help. I mean, it's a team. Try to do your best. Always try to attack every day in the operations. Well, how are we doing in time? 60 minutes. Well, let's hurry up this. I hope the sound is okay, because I'm using my phone. I'm not gonna spend any money on this. I'm not gonna start doing these on any computers or anything like that. So I hope. What the fuck am I doing? Oh, excuse my language. No, that's not how we plan this. Well, we do it the same way as we did, but we're gonna do that, and we're gonna do that. Yes. Side drop. Well, come on, keep up. Start walking. God damn, you walk slowly, bastard. Get up there. Smoke and break a bit behind. You don't want to gap your smokes around flamethrowers or machine guns. They are lethal. They are. Ooh, what the I lost some sukas to a boom mine there. You don't want to mess around. Machine guns or flamethrowers with your sukas. Ladies are very fragile. There was a boom mine behind that statue. Is that? Well, I pressed attack straight up. Well, let's do like this. I mean, we tried it the other way around. Losing some ladies, but that's fine. Really don't matter if I lose some of my ladies, like as I did that in the beginning, because this is only stage 4. Let's do battle order, and let's flare HQ, and let's put that and that. This should do it, hopefully. Yeah, no problem, easy. Well, what should we more talk about? I really don't have anything special to say about this. This. DrT diamonds. Not gonna spend my diamonds. Are we gonna go on to the next, or are we gonna wait? Well, let's try. Head first. Love my head first attacks. Let's, yeah. We get more ladies as they come. Mine. We don't like mines. Like that. That was beautiful. Oh, yeah. One smoke. All my ladies dead. Let's go to there. Smoke. You don't want to mess around with machine guns. Look at that. Double smoke, because they will spread. Put another flare. Flare the head cutter. And battle order. Critters. Bam. Let's do like this. Medkit. Medkit for days. Love my medkits. Boom. God damn, my time is running out. I don't really... I might do later stages. Show my later stages later. I don't really have time to do this video, to be perfectly honest. I have a family. 22 minutes we're up to. Well, I have family and other stuff, so I will try to make another video for 6 and 7. Well, we can scout it just for you to see how it looks. Ooh, nasty. Looks nasty. Well, that's it for this video. Thank you guys for watching. Please hit sub.